Hello, welcome to my channel. Let me start out by saying I am sorry, I apologize. I am late posting my video this week, but we had sickness in the house and thankfully no, it was not COVID-19 related, but still, it's been a very busy week. But throughout the week I did find time to craft here and there, and I used the limited edition kit from May from My Creative Scrapbook to make these cards. So I thought I would do a quick show and tell, and just to let you take a look at them and see what ideas I came up with. And you are welcome to use these layouts, and who knows, it might spark you and give you an idea to do something different. All right, so I'm going to show them to you in the order that I created them. So this was my very first one. And as you can see, I distressed the edges of both layers, just added some flowers, and this is the ephemera that came in the kit. And just decided to use the heart of gold. Kind of kept it simple, and I thought that was cute. I liked how that came out. So I didn't ink the edges or anything. I just left them just kind of rough. And that's card number one. The second card, I just love this one. Love. So I used, again, these pieces. The little flags came as part of the ephemera. And this is just a piece of one of the papers that came in the kit. The only thing I added was this little cutout of this butterfly, which I already had. So that did not come in the kit. Now, these little pieces actually came off one of the flowers that came in the kit. As you can see in this one, see how the flowers have these little pieces, and these two popped off. So I used them inside my butterfly. I thought that turned out really cute. It's they're not distressed, nothing's inked. Just was a very, very simple design. So I hope you like that one. Card number two. Card number three was a long time coming. It took me a while to figure out what I wanted to do on this one. I loved this piece of paper, and for the longest time I didn't think I would add any kind of embellishment on top. I thought it was fine as it was. And to be honest, it was. You don't have to add a bunch of stuff on top of the card. The papers that come in the kits are so beautiful, and that's just one of the benefits of getting beautiful paper, is you don't have to do a whole lot to it. But this creation did kind of come to me eventually. These are the flowers that came in the kit, and these little pieces I got from Blank Slate. I don't remember, I've had it for a while, but anyway, I thought of those. It just needed just like a little something extra. And the bird is a piece of ephemera that I had from a previous kit. So I cut around it, stuck it in there, because I felt like it needed a bird, because right here says love is friendship set to music. So, you know, we need a little bird there whistling a pretty tune. So that was the inspiration for that one. And that's card number three. Card number four, I got flowery. And it's funny, these little flowers did not come with the kit, but they're flowers that I had ordered from Wish weeks ago. It took weeks and weeks to get here. So I had ordered these little flowers, excuse me, long before I received the May kit, but it just turned out that they matched and went so well with it that I wanted to use them. So this one, this is a piece of ephemera that came, and I just used a pretty paper, and I put a little bit of lace around the edges. And I was going to leave it like that. And then my flowers came, and I thought, okay, because this is such a lovely quote that it just needed something extra pretty, extra feminine, and just girly and flowery. So I thought the flowers did the trick. Okay, so that is card number four. Card number five. This one I worked on a while. This was the last one, and I knew I wanted to do one more, and it took a while to figure out what I wanted to do, but I don't know, I kind of like this almost collage look, and all of this is from the kit. Now I did do some inking on this one. I inked around the card and I inked around all of the pieces of ephemera, and I used vintage photo for the inking. I was actually very happy with how that came out. So that is card number 5. Okay. There are a variety of sizes, different shapes. This is a really good way to just to give you an idea of what you can do with the kit and types of cards that you can make. I hope you were able to find inspiration and are willing to give yourself a try and create a card. It's fun. Don't put pressure on yourself. These, I worked on these all week long, so I'm not a quick card maker, but that's okay. Just enjoy the process, trying different things and coming up with different designs, and all of a sudden you'll find one that you really like and start gluing down. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you all have a fantastic week. Give me that thumbs up, boop. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe. And you can click the bell as well if you want to, and the bell will notify you when I've uploaded a new video. Alright guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.